And a minerati. A wani. A bumbleclad wani.
Me suck my mother, but your mother suck me. Any world see it and see it on the TV. Go on your ways, my father don't kill you already. You know what says a Ninja Man video. The following video has multiple clips of Ninja Man from all over the place. Different bites, different interviews. You know, say Ninja Man is funniest dancehall artist. And when I say funny, I mean comedic. So we just gonna enjoy the video right now.
You're merciless and we take what merciless from you and you don't have no merciless left, so we're gonna bust out your bulletproof vest and show you you're gonna lay to rest.
Self-proclaimed ugly man. You say it, not me.
Me born ugly, stay ugly, and me not change ugly, cause woman no want no pretty boy flying now, baby.
Hey, me tell you something, you know. Me not back from no boy, no girl, nobody, and me not apologize to no man. Look for me shoes. You don't even bad like me boot heel. I mean not in my wheel pan this. Me will kick you till your teeth and catch like a choke and a gun for for the country. Don't come and set me with your foolishness.
Correct that.
What me say then?
The original front teeth, gold teeth, take off down half a teeth, brush teeth, toothpaste, and now spit no more shot in the nigga face. Early Sunday morning, Dan Gargan talk. Remember Dan Gargan. It here? So that little red and scoop or something out there, so. Little loquacious characters and men, they kind of like a nincompoop. But you have out there, so.
Tell us something about you that will shock. If like they find out about it, they say, really?
Me teeth foul.
Gully Bob, let me tell you something. You see, you me richer than competition, and me comfortable more than foolishness. That's why the only reason why you get to chat up your beak like when Fowler pick up can and get away without pick up two in your head.
Tell us something where will shock us. When nobody know about you. Me teeth foul. Free up the Gargan. Look for when Ninja Man they are prison. And Ninja Man still have the most viral moments right now upon the video. Upon the internet rather. Eh? The man undisputed. Anyways. Continuing.
What I'm to you? Me know you? Who is you where come talk? Listen me. You know, say your color ungrateful. And if your color that you know. Fast now people business should have better rap in life, but our people business just sit down and like a fucking crop.
So what about Massacre?
Well, what charge me hear about Massacre, you know. That name there alone, you have to watch it, you know. I'm not carbon copy bad man, I'm not fool bad man. I can't give me gun to a little normal police when I don't know what more do with it. Because some of my police them broke, you know. And some of them will really sell back the gun, you know. So we have to give it to the police.
You know of police selling guns?
Why we
so you didn't have those guns?
Not really have them gun there still.
How many guns did you have at the time when you wrote your first gun lyrics?
I come here on an interview, I don't come here to be an informer. Right. Because you see that little style where you're about him dig it home, Let me tell you something.
Yo, whoever put the video together, respect. It bad. It bad. It bad, man. We hope you have a good laugh. But they call it ninjality, because they have a thing I call nationality. I don't know about ninjality. Anyways, the next piece of video now, you're gonna make you laugh same way. Probably even harder. Laugh even more. Some clips of Ninja Man in a third world cop. I remember in an interview with Emily, Ninja they talk about some movies we have coming up. And he said he might start and show it. And I like third world cop where they put him in a barrel. Let's watch it.
It's still a fishing. Yeah, I'm going to go early tomorrow morning, you know.
Same place. Run with Batty boy.
Hey, yo, watch your mouth, man. That's my brethren.
So, Imawa. Police.
Yo, I want to wheels in. Don't test.
Sarati, you're a police friend. When most of us we are going? Like an informer about.
So what do I say? When we are informer. You ever think it's probably because we left the ball on the side the man figure out what going on? You ever think about that?
Think him that good? No, police no investigate. They won't go intimidate. It's like you rate him.
No. Respect him.
You take bumbuckler bad man fool.
Come back with the same idiot attitude again.
Suck your mother.
Suck your mother. Or SYM. That's how we say it now. We're not vulgar or disrespectful. It's rude to tell someone to go suck their mother. But me suck my mother proudly. And somebody mother suck me. Let's continue watching the Third World Cup, one of my favorite movie. Right now I feel like I'm going to go watch it. 12 o'clock midnight.
According to the report, the Jamaican security forces frequently employ lethal force to apprehend criminals committing
Now smoke Psalm 23.
Chairman of the Independent Jamaican Council for Human Rights explained that the police were often receiving brutality and had to defend themselves. Jamaica.
And a minerati, a wani, a bumbucklad wani. Unlike you.
And kill a Gargan star. Everyone nice show. Then put the Gargan in a barrel. You see how bad man thing go? Them a bridging, you know? Them a bridging. And a bridging kill bridging. And you see how bad man thing go? When death come calling. You see how fast he inform? I saw them squeal like a puppy when police have machine on their head back. I saw them squeal like a puppy when man come for them and ball and beg. That's why me stay far from badness. No, sir. Hello, sir. I stay in my house from work to home, home to work. Anyways, go and go watch Third World Cup and tell me your favorite part of the clip in our comment section. And we have one more video left. We never watch it yet. So we're gonna watch it together right now.
None of them no wicked like me. Where them a go with them shaky trigger finger. Them can't fight none up on me. Them young bird and no storm. So when me choke on, tell a fool go long. Some little positive way you take program. Can't do me no harm when me kill me no wrong. So they never see me for so long. They think me so they are willing, then things say me gone. Me not retire, me no Hulk Hogan. If you think me slow down, little fool you're so wrong. Because me a not like the warrant to say, them no want me in there. Cause if me ever in there, crocodile and fish are swimmer. All them are cutting them. When me ride the thing there, and when me boss it in there, tell me say they had nothing where. The little Jada fast, and every lax the tune where. They say they not no heart, that me no love no in there. I am the poison dart, go tell the funky king there. And when the war start, just take the ring me in there. None of them no bad like ninja. None of them no wicked like me. When them a go with them shaky trigger finger. Them can't fight none of up on me. The gardener, the Almighty I'm a gardener. Some no fear fool nor fraud enough. I'm a not give up, do it, me I do it in a hard enough. War when me love, me no laugh enough. Now the war is on, none of them can keep me calm. Or when they send for Babylon, they say me now go on, I shoot me ban. So bring it on, guns and ammunition, with me have enough. Everything alright, so me say the word. And me give them a surprise on the 23rd.
Pop, 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 pop. Where I go with the shaky trigger finger. Don't ramp with the ninja. First me I hear this a song. First me I see this a video. The song about the video about the gag and I spit lyrics like how you spit hot tea out your mouth. Yo, I want ninja me say man, and I could never too. Yeah man, and a free ninja me I say man, until ninja man is free. If you don't like the video, just like up the video, leave a comment in the comment section. Tell me which one of the video are your favorite video. Click the notification bell after you subscribe. Yeah. And what again? Share the video to your dirty ex. Yeah man. Share the laughter, share the fun, share the enjoyment, share the excitement. You see me I say? And yeah. As always, thanks for watching and stay safe. God bless.